Hey, what's up guys, the Gimmick Box here. When we think of sound amplifiers, these images naturally pop in our minds. These heavy word-consuming black boxes with dials and switches, but it can only get so simple if you dive into its basics. LM386 is a low-voltage audio amplifier chip for basic audio signal amplification, and to build this audio amp, you can either gather basic parts like resistors and capacitors or get a pre-built module. So we built a small amp that runs over DC voltage, which has a 1/4 inch input port, a 3.5 mm audio input port, and finally a single RCA output port. This is a single channel amp or mono, good for instruments for practicing at home. To get it working, you'll need the amplifier built in a box of old cassette, a speaker, for input a guitar cable or a 3.5 mm audio cable, a small speaker with RCA connector at its end. We'll connect it like in this video and connect one end of the guitar cable to a guitar off camera. And yes, it's basically a guitar amp. So that's all for this video guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any queries, please let us know down below in the comments. Meanwhile, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.